Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean Casilli here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm at the Commodore. We were here yesterday, but it was a little bit later in the day. I wanted to show you guys part two of the Commodore. We're actually in unit 607 again. Check the cards area up above if you want to see the video I did yesterday. Is a little more thorough and in-depth on the inside, but this is to show you guys how beautiful the turquoise water is when it is about 1:05 p.m. in the beginning of May. I'm also going to show you one little area inside the unit that I forgot to show you yesterday, but first, let's check out these views from the balcony. Do have some scattered clouds today, which is why the watercolor's changing a little bit. There's some shadows dropping down. Absolutely stunning. Wish you were here, and if you want to be, give me a call. I can help you own this place. Back inside real quick, I'm going to show there's a little pantry area next to the fridge that I didn't include in yesterday's video. Again, check the cards area if you want a more in-depth view of the entire unit. And if you guys like this kind of content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.